Can you use abrasive scrubbers on tubs and shower stalls to clean them safely without damaging surfaces? Abrasive scrubbers vary from mild nylon pads to heavy steel wool, and the key is matching the scrubber to the surface and soil. For enamel-coated cast iron or steel tubs, a mildly abrasive nylon pad can remove soap scum and mineral buildup when used with a pH-neutral cleaner, applied with light pressure and rinsed frequently to avoid grinding particles across the finish. Acrylic and fiberglass surfaces are softer and require only soft, non-abrasive sponges, or a soft bristle brush and a diluted dish soap solution, since even moderate abrasives can cause micro scratches that show as dulling or crazing later. Porcelain on steel tolerates somewhat more abrasion, but repeated use of harsh pads can wear the glaze and expose metal, leading to rust, so finish any cleaning with a microfiber cloth to polish and remove residues. Stone surrounds such as marble or limestone must never see acidic cleaners or harsh abrasives because etching removes a thin layer of the stone. Use pH-neutral stone cleaner and a soft brush or sponge only. For painted steel or powder-coated metal fixtures, use the gentlest tools possible and always test on an inconspicuous spot first. If the test leaves a mark, stop and switch to a softer option. Common mistakes are using a heavy-duty metal pad on a delicate surface and assuming aggressive scrubbing will speed the job, which usually causes scratches that trap dirt and require refinishing. Instead, switch to a non-abrasive sponge and let a soak time with appropriate cleaner do most of the work. Another issue is not testing on an inconspicuous area first, which can lead to visible damage across large areas. Always test for a few seconds, rinse, and inspect before proceeding. People also mix incompatible cleaners with abrasive action. For example, an acidic cleaner plus vigorous scrubbing on stone or enamel, which can etch or strip coatings. Use a cleaner formulated for the surface and rely on mechanical action only as a last resort, reducing pressure and frequency. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors by letting us search and compare project types and post requests for quotes so we can get multiple offers. We also help contractors find work by letting them respond to homeowner posts and showcase completed projects. And our site includes a discussion community where we can ask questions, read peer experiences, and share practical cleaning and surface care tips.